Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the sizzling world of charcoal grilling, a skill that transforms a simple meal into a mouth-watering feast. So, grab your tongs and let's fire up those grills. First off, let's talk charcoal. You've got two main types, lump charcoal and briquettes. Lump charcoal is all about that pure hardwood flavor. It burns hot and fast, perfect for searing steaks to perfection. Briquettes, on the other hand, are your go-to for a steady, longer-lasting heat, ideal for slow-cooked barbecue ribs that fall right off the bone. Now, onto lighting up. Forget those match-light charcoals with lighter fluid. Trust me, you don't want those chemicals anywhere near your food. Instead, use a chimney starter. It's simple, effective, and lets your food retain its natural flavors. Just crumple some newspaper at the bottom, fill it with charcoal, and light it up. In about 15 minutes, you're ready to grill. But it's not just about the fire, it's what you do with it. Mastering heat zones is crucial. Set up a hot zone for grilling your meats to that perfect char, and a cooler zone for veggies, or for letting your meat rest before serving. This technique ensures everything comes off the grill at just the right time, perfectly cooked. And hey, don't forget your tools. A good pair of tongs, a sturdy grill brush, and a meat thermometer. They're not just accessories, but essentials that make or break a grilling session. There you have it, folks. Check out our full comprehensive charcoal guide at culinarycrossover.com for much more information and details. Happy grilling, everyone!